Today, we'll be discussing a topic that many of you have been asking about: how to apply for a PayPal business loan. So, let's dive right in and learn how to get started. Step 1. Evaluating your business needs. Before applying for any business loan, it's essential to evaluate your financial situation and determine your specific needs. Ask yourself questions like: 1. What do you need funding for? 2. How much financing do you require? 3. How fast do you need the funds? 4. What is the purpose of the loan? Expansion, inventory, marketing? 5. What are your repayment preferences? 6. How long have you been in business? 7. What's the current financial status of your business? 8. Do you have any outstanding loans or financial obligations? 9. Are you looking for short-term or long-term financing? Step 2. Factors lenders consider. Now that you have a clear understanding of your needs, it's important to know what lenders consider during the evaluation process. Some key factors include: 1. Creditworthiness. Lenders assess your business and personal credit scores, so it's a good idea to improve your credit before applying. 2. Small business cash flow. Demonstrating a healthy cash flow can make your application more attractive to lenders. 3. Business age. Lenders often prefer established businesses with a track record of success. 4. Debt-to-income ratio. Your debt levels compared to your income can impact the loan amount you qualify for. 5. Collateral. Some loans may require collateral, such as equipment or real estate. 6. Industry. The overall economic prospects of your business's industry might be considered. Step 3. Understanding PayPal Business Loan. Now, let's explore PayPal Business Loan, a fixed-term small business loan offered by PayPal based on your business's health. The loan amount ranges from $5,000 to $100,000 for first-time borrowers and up to $150,000 for repeat borrowers. This financing option can help you fund various business needs, from day-to-day operations to marketing and expansion. Step 4. Eligibility requirements. To be eligible for a PayPal business loan, your business should have: 1. At least 9 months in operation. 2. Annual revenue of at least $33,300. 3. A valid PayPal business account. Step 5. Applying for a PayPal business loan. Applying for a PayPal business loan is a straightforward process. Here's what you need to do. 1. Visit the PayPal website and navigate to the Small Business Loan page. 1. You can find the link in the description below. 2. Review the loan details, interest rates, and terms to ensure it aligns with your needs. 3. Click on the Apply Now button to start the application process. 4. You'll be asked to provide some essential information about your business, such as its name, revenue, and the purpose of the loan. 5. PayPal will evaluate your application, and if approved, you'll receive the funds in your PayPal account. 6. Remember to use the funds responsibly for your business needs. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to apply for a PayPal business loan. We hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Until next time, best of luck with your business endeavors. See you soon.